Going guys, Matt Gamer here. Don't ask what the stripes and everything are on there for, because I have no idea. I played a little bit of this earlier. This is kind of jacked up. But I found some new obstacles almost at the end of this one. Like almost at the end of this chapter. He wouldn't freaking go that way. Okay. But as I was saying, oh wow, I was hitting the pause button. Okay. But in the other video I was talking about all the stuff that's going on. I hope that you guys understand, because I am gonna be working for my papa if there's anything I can do to help him out while he's recovering from his heart cast. So yeah. But main thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about was, other than Cat Mario and all these other games, what other games would you possibly want me to play? Because in a couple of days, I'm going to be getting my own computer, and I'll be able to get a screen recorder and everything else for it. But that's my question to y'all. Oh, how did that not? Okay, never mind. But we are at a new part in this game where there are many fireblasts, and I don't know why. I got farther than that earlier, but not really much of anything. So, and I have to end this video in a little bit. See, fireblast. I think it's this one over here. See how bad my internet lagged? I don't even know why I did that. But my special guest, Frog9, he really appreciates everybody that subscribed to him and everything. That's about all the time I really have. I'm about to go. But I really do appreciate, and I'm being serious about this. If I've said it more than once, I'm being serious about it. But I really appreciate the fact that everybody's taking their time to watch my videos and to subscribe and comment on them, give me some more suggestions and everything. I'm gonna be doing a lot this summer. Gonna be working for my papa, as I said, and I'm gonna be going to a sports banquet in a little bit, so I gotta get ready. So like, subscribe, and peace out.